Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this We Are Memory Keepers vinyl print press allows me to screen print at home. I never thought I'd be able to do that, and it's so easy to use. I love the very simple features as well as the instructions on how to attach the screen print. You can use t-shirts, paper, notebooks. I love that it comes with its own tool to apply the ink, as well as the means to store the tool right at the top so I can keep it all together and I won't lose things. The top lifts up so that you can store your inks if you choose. And the accessory piece for the screen printing is easy to clean. The bottom of it has little feet that allow it to stay securely on your desk or workspace, so you're not slipping when you're trying to do your screen printing. I have loved being able to screen print at home. I can't believe I can get such great results. I've made so many gifts using this, and it's just so easy to use. And that's my point of view.